Now we are left with the performer workflow implementation. And this, the first thing that we have to do is we have to read the data from the queues. So this is the grade underscore queue that we have with us. In it we have 5 records which we have to process, and then we have to start the data entry process. This is the application that we have to automate. We have to just enter the details available in the queue into this and fetch few details from this particular desktop application, and then send out an email with those extracted details. Let's go ahead and implement this particular project. Trying to open the studio. And once that is done, you can go to the Robotic Enterprise Framework and enter grade management system underscore performer. Okay, you can leave this as it is and just create it. So here we are, where we have got all the default settings of RE framework. So we have all the environment setup done. So next thing, we will just quickly jump into this particular framework and implement our defined modules.